If you want to clean your PC, this is your video. Okay, if you want to clean your PC, you have to download this program that I will let the link on the description. The name of the program is CC Cleaner. So you press free download on the website and you have to wait to the download to start. Okay, so you save the file, wait to the download, double click the executable, the X file, then you have to install it. You can add a desktop shortcut and you can make all these options being installed. So you press install, wait a few minutes till it finishes to install, and then you press run CCleaner. Okay, so now you have the program opened. You press start CCleaner, you press decline here, you select the free plan, and you can press run first scan. So this will ask you to close all your browsers. So you press this and you close them, and it will start to scan your device. So it will find files that you don't need on your PC, and you will be able to delete them. It's actually pretty cool. This option that we have, it can take very long depending of the size of your disk, and if it's full, if it's not full, if you have a lot of garbage on your PC. So we are going to wait a little bit, and you also can see that here a lot of options. We have the health check, you have the custom clean, you can have the performance optimizer, the driver updater, software updater, tools. So this is actually the best tool on the world to use. As you can see, it's for home use only, so you cannot use this on your office or something, but you can use it here. So we are going to make a pause till this scan finishes. Okay, so it finished, and as you can see, it's asking us that we can delete the cookies of the browsers, we can delete the browsing history, we can delete the temporary internet files, and you can also deselect. So if you don't want to delete anything on Google Chrome or Edge or whatever, you can disable them, and you press clean, and you will delete a lot of megabytes on your PC. Then you have the performance optimizer that we talked before. This boosts your PC performance by putting programs you're not using on sleep mode. This is the best option you have here if you are a gamer. You can update your drivers, you can make a custom clean. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.